Oh, we're ready to go, boys. Where are we going? All right, we got Joey, we got Dana out of retirement. We're out here at King of Hammers. He's on the demo bike right now. I'm on my Ultra Bee. The 81 Apex is in the Ultra Bee, so this battery should last me quite some time. I've never been here, so I don't really know what to expect. I'm basically just gonna try to keep up with the Starks today. Dude, that red pops so hard on the rose lenses on the Havocs. Dude, it pops like, yeah. Whoa. Oh no. What's he about to take us through? Bro, we're not actually making it through this.
What are you talking about? There's so much traction?
What? Damn. Here we go. Where did the boys take me? Yeah. Dude, this is like some hard enduro. Look at all those trails, dude. Look at, there's a whole lot of nothing out here.
Yeah.
Literally nothing. The Stark helps so much, or just the e-bikes in general, because you don't have to worry about your clutch. Professional enduro rider over here. I'm just trying to keep up. Oh yeah, this is steep. Oh! Whoa! Dude, he's stuck in like it's stuck in a slow mode.
I'm stuck in like a 125 mode.
Yeah.
Oh really?
He's stuck, and we can't change it because the stupid phone won't connect. Oh, we got snow! Yellow snow cones. Oh! Is that thing backfiring?
I think so.
Oh shoot! Damn, that was a fun day riding, boys.
Yep.
Should we go load up? Damn, that looks so easy.
That's a game changer.
Oh, dude. Lift this 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! Oh, dude! It keeps getting worse! Ah, just hit my nutsack.
Are you ready, Zach?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! That didn't work out.
You made it.
That did not work.
He made it. Oh yeah, that's so sick, dude. Look at what else we gotta go through. That line selection, so I'll follow you.
What?
Alright, I'll go.
The best part's following you.
I'll go. Whoa, whoa. Dude, it's really not as easy as it looks.
Oh, dude, down. I don't know how to ride this thing.
Makes you feel better. Oh. Oh my.
Find a clutch.
Ooh. Ah! Oh, the Stark!
We all tried it. It's your turn.
All right, you ready to do me first try?
Yeah.
Dude! Ah! Ow! I'm kind of stuck. I'm pinned, bro. I'm literally pinned in this rock. Come help. I think I'm good. My shoulder was just stuck. Some people are made for this. Me? I was born for it. Watch out.
This is oh my god! Hey, wrong line!
I give up, dude. Dude, you roosted the hell out of me. The people that race through this stuff, like, it's mind-blowing to me.
Oh yeah, they don't stop once.
Look at that. I've only burned 1% on this battery.
No.
Yeah. If we move that one rock, it might be easy. And he put it in the way. Hey, I'm getting better. Oh my gosh, bro.
Maybe just jackhammer, dude. Sledgehammer.
It's the easiest one here.
No, it's pretty difficult.
As you guys can tell, I'm not built for this hard enduro stuff. This is hard. You guys do this stuff, you race it, or you just ride this stuff for fun. Y'all are literally crazy. This is hard to do. I want to see like a pro, like Tomac or Roxon or someone try to do hard enduro, and I want to see how they do. They can rip a supercross track, but how are they gonna do on this stuff? Because I feel like it's just so unpredictable. Theoretically, this should be easier just because it's smaller and lighter, but whew.
What do you think?
That?
Yeah.
I think we can make it. Tell you what, going down is a lot easier than going up. Line selection. Whoa. There we go. Picking up a little momentum. Damn, they were gone. Oh! Oh my gosh, dude. I hate this, bro. It's too unpredictable.
You're actually doing pretty good though.
I literally went down and I was like, I made it. Literally just the tiniest rock, bro. Didn't even think, boop, almost ate it right now. Literally almost just ate it. Oh! No way I made it. I can't believe I made that. Dude, the amount of sketchy calls I've had is unreal. See, now we're talking. We just got open land over here. That's what I like. Oh!
Go see it, right? Did you get up that thing?
Which wall?
What?
Oh. Dude, look at this place. Look at all these. He just found it into the 55 horsepower mode.
Oh my god, it was coming into the pits I found it. Oh my god, dude.
Couldn't have found it at a worse time.
That sucks.
Oh my gosh, dude. Hey, all that right? What's your battery at? 68? Bro,
lost 30%.
I'm at 88%.
That's fine.
No way.
Told you, dude. This battery lasts so damn long.
You lost 12%?
That's it, dude. 88% is what I'm at. The Stark's at 68. That is unheard of. Dude, here's the thing, like, it's fun. That riding is just gnarly.
Yeah, you gotta do it more, dude. It's easier. Yeah,
Like
it's
the-
funny because, like, honestly, that wasn't that hard.
Dude, yeah, that's crazy. That's not that hard to you guys, but to me, like, that's some,
The
like,
only reason it's so hard on me is because I'm so out of shape.
like, that's some intense riding. Damn, that battery's good.
Way gnarlier than that in our YouTube.
The 81 Apex from Chai, if you guys want one of these for your Ultra Bee, I kind of just proved it right there how long this battery's gonna last. We're pushing 32 kilowatt. Use code ZAY at checkout, save yourself some money, and get yourself an 81 Apex. This thing's killing it. Oh yeah, and use code ZAY for Havoc. Show them. These right here.
So use code ZAY.
You guys trying to look flashy and look good? Code ZAY.
He's got to feed the little African children, so
I
he's a
do.
good guy, dude. He donates to that stuff.
I do. I do charity.